Hello kids, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and doing your work properly. Okay, I am Vijeta, your computer teacher, and today in your computer class we will continue the chapter that is more about Scratch. Okay, today we will do the topic how we can add music or sound in our Scratch project, or how we can play instrument in a Scratch project. Okay, we will do one program of that thing, as well as we will do the bookwork of this chapter. Okay, and so please complete your bookwork and send to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, let's start the chapter. Next topic is playing the instrument. Now I am telling you how we can use the sound block from the Scratch. Okay, sound block provide different blocks to add music to our Scratch project. If you want to add music in your Scratch project, you have to use sound block, and it is also provide music based on the different instrument. There are number of instruments, flute, drum, okay, and for this you have to set the instrument, and the numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can select any, and there are 21 different inbuilt instrument from which we can select the desired one. Okay, and this block set the type of instrument that is split used to play the note, and we can also set the note for the instrument for required number of beats. मतलब कितनी बीट्स उसकी प्ले होंगी हम ये भी सेट कर सकते हैं नोट्स की. ओके, द नोट्स आर सिग्निफाइड बाय द नंबर्स. नाउ आई टेल यू हाउ वी कैन यूज दिस साउंड ब्लॉक. इन दिस ब्लॉक वी आर टेकिंग एग्जाम्पल. यू कैन सी दिस हेयर. वी आर यूजिंग ए स्प्लिट कैजी डांस. Firstly we have to delete the cat split, and we choose the split that is कैजी डांस. एंड वी आल्सो चेंज द बैकड्रॉप, मतलब हमने बैकग्राउंड स्टेज भी चेंज कर दी. डांस थीम में जाकर स्पॉटलाइट स्टेज वी आर सेलेक्टिंग. ओके, एंड यू कैन सी द साउंड ब्लॉक. देयर आर सो मेनी इंस्ट्रक्शन. प्ले साउंड until done, stop all the sound, play drum from this to this beats. Here you can see set instrument too. Here you can select the instrument, and you can also set the volume. Okay, and here you can see the script for the split कैजी डांस एंड स्क्रिप्ट फॉर द बैकड्रॉप, मतलब बैकग्राउंड स्टेज. फॉर द स्प्लिट she will dance. When she is doing dance, the next costume will occur. Next costume means gestures will change, hands move. It look like just she is doing dancing, actually her hands are moving. And change the color effect. By here the color of her face changes because when spotlight, because we are using spotlight stage. Because of spotlight stage, the color is also changing, sometime red, sometime green, sometime yellow. That's why the split will change their color with the help of change color effect. And a script for backdrop. Here we are in background, we are playing drum at different beats. Okay, and both should be in the loop, because she continuously dancing and the instrument continuously playing. That's why we are losing loop. Here this is the script. Now you can see the changes output. You can see colors also changes, hands movement is also changing, means next costumes occur. You can see in this program we will do change of background as well as sound block. Okay, for this firstly we have to delete cat split. For changing the background, click on the stage backdrop. You can see when you click on the stage backdrop, the backdrop options come. These blocks are for background. Okay, for selecting background, click on the choose backdrop from library. The library categorize background in different like indoor category, outdoor categories, flying, holidays, music and dance. I am taking music and dance and spotlight stage. You can see this stage. Okay, now I will choose the split. Click on the new split button, and in the theme I am taking dance. I want a person that doing dance, कैसी dance. I am taking कैसी dance. Okay, we will move the KC here. Now I have select KC dance. So firstly we will write the script for the sprite. For this event, click on green flag button. After that, taking loop, because she will dance continuously, and for continuous action we need loop. She will wait for 1 second in this loop and change color effects. The sprite's color will change. Okay. After that, she will take next costume. Next costume means the hand gestures and the legs. It will move. It look like she is doing dancing. Okay. This is a script for Cassie dance sprite. Now I will write the script for stage. For this, you have to click on stage. When you click on the stage script, these options have changed. Now these options are for blocks for backdrop, means for background. Okay. For this, firstly I will take event when the stage will change the color or play the instrument when the flag will click. Okay. Control forever. Okay. Next question. Sound block. Now we will click on the sound block. We will set the instrument, which instrument you want to play. For example, we want to play drum. There are so many options. You can see piano, guitar, flute. You can choose any. I am taking drum. Synth pad. Okay. Play drum. Now there are different beats. You can select any. 3. Beat will be 2. Again, play drum. There are 18 options. You can choose any. Like this, we are choosing drum and their beats. And track. You can change the beats, select it here and delete. Okay, now the script is ready. Now we will run this script. Click on the use script button and after that click on green flag. You can see the change. You can see the script color is also changing. Costumes also changes and drum playing background. Our bookwork divided into 2 sections, section A and B. In section A, the first question is fill in the blanks. Options are given. The first question is the dash button helps to decrease the size of sprite. The answer is shrink. We have 2 buttons, grow and shrink. Grow is used to increase the size and shrink is used to decrease the size of sprite. The dash block the dash block instructions are used to draw a trail as the sprite moves on the stage. The answer is pen block. Third, the dash is the place where we pick and drop the blocks to create a script. That is script area. We pick the block and drop it in the script area. Okay. Next, the dash display the thumbnail of all the sprites used in the project. That is sprite list. If we are using 5 sprites, that's 5 sprites thumbnails display in sprite list. Thumbnails means it's short form. Okay. Next, the X value determines the dash location of the sprite and Y value determines the dash location or height. X represent horizontal and Y represent vertical. Okay. Next, true and false. First, we cannot change the name of sprite. False. वी कैन चेंज, हम स्प्रिट का नाम चेंज कर सकते हैं विद हेल्प ऑफ स्प्रिट इंफॉर्मेशन पैन. ओके. सेकेंड, द स्टेज इज मेन वर्किंग एरिया वेयर द स्प्रिट मूव्स एंड परफॉर्म एक्शंस. यस, ट्रू. Stage, the white part of the area where the sprit moves. Okay, that is a main working area. Next, if the pen shade is 0, the pen color will be closer to white. No, that will be closer to black. The answer is false. Okay, the scratch stage is 400 pixel wide and 360 pixel high. True. This is the size of stage by default. Okay, 480 into 360 pixels, x-axis and y-axis. Next, view full screen button is present on the top right corner of the stage. False. Where it present? It present in top left corner of the stage. Okay, that blue one button. Next, paint editor window allow us to create new sprit on the stage. Yes, true. There are 4 ways we can create a sprites. First, choose from library. Second is paint editor. Third is from file, computer system, and fourth is from camera. So paint editor is used to create a new sprit on the stage. That is true. Next, application based question. Kritika is creating a project in Scratch. She wants to create a new sprites in her project. Suggest her the method to do the same. Means बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट जो स्प्रिट्स होती हैं वो कैट होती हैं. अगर हम उसको चेंज करना चाहते हैं तो हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? क्लिक ऑन न्यू स्प्रिट बटन. इट गेट फ्रॉम लाइब्रेरी, फ्रॉम पेंट एडिटर, फ्रॉम फाइल इन आवर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम्स और फ्रॉम द कैमरा. ठीक है. और कृतिका ने क्या किया है? एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है. शी क्रिएट्स ए प्रोजेक्ट और वो एक नई स्प्रिट्स के साथ काम करना चाहती है. वो कैट को यूज़ नहीं करना चाहती. तो what she will do, she will click on the new sprit button. Okay. Next, Rahul loves to play guitar. While working on his Scratch projects, he wants to play the sound of guitar. Help in suggesting the appropriate block to do the same. राहुल को गिटार बजाना अच्छा लगता है. वो जब प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहा है वो चाहता है कि उसका गिटार प्ले हो, साउंड आए, गिटार प्ले हो. तो कौन सा ब्लॉक हम यूज़ करेंगे साउंड के लिए? Sound block, as the name suggests. Okay. Next, section B. The first question is multi-choice question. The first question is, which box on the clicking display the short description of the block? That is sprit info. Next, the collection of stepwise instructions given to the sprit is known as script. यानी स्प्रिट क्या एक्शन परफॉर्म करेगा वो हम किस फॉर्म में देते हैं? स्क्रिप्ट की फॉर्म में होता है. और वो स्टेप वाइज होता है कि फर्स्ट स्टेप पे स्प्रिट ये काम करेगी, सेकंड स्टेप पे ये काम करेगी, 10 स्टेप मूव करेगी, फिर टर्न करेगी. दैट इज कॉल्ड स्क्रिप्ट. नेक्स्ट, द डैश बटन इंक्रीज द साइज ऑफ स्प्रिट. दैट इज ग्रो. द वाई वैल्यू ऑफ द स्टेज कैन रेंज फ्रॉम 180 to -180. Okay. And to record on sound in a project we need a microphone attached to our computer system. हम अपनी खुद की अगर साउंड को रिकॉर्ड करना चाहते हैं then we need a input system, input device, that is a microphone. Next, there are dash different instruments choose from the sound block. In sound block there are 21 instruments that we can play with the help of sound block. Okay. Next, name the block that that makes the sprit disappear from the stage. That is hide. It will disappear the sprit from the stage. Next, answer the following questions. You can give answer in 2 and 3 line. You can give your own answers. First question is, what is Scratch? Explain the main feature of Scratch. Scratch is a computer language that enables students to create their own games, animated stories and projects. Okay. And the feature of the Scratch is that it is very easy to understand. Okay. It is very easy to use. And second, it allows playful experiment. We can experiment during playing. Okay. We can play with programs, we can play with these blocks and we can experiment new things. Next, what does the Scratch info pan display? The answer is, It includes information about the selected spread as well as a few tools for manipulating the spreads. मीन्स स्प्रिट्स के बारे में जो कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन होती है वो किस में होती है, इन्फो पैन में. ओके, नेक्स्ट, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द टर्म बैकड्रॉप? बैकड्रॉप मीन्स background of the stage where sprites move, and we can change the background of the stage with this option. When we click on the backdrop options, with this option we can change the background of the stage. Otherwise it will display white. By default it gives white stage and cat sprit. We can change both. Okay, and backdrop option is used to change the background. This is your book work of this chapters. Now you have to do this book work on your book only. No need to maintain a notebook. Next question is, what is the purpose of script area? The script area is the place where we pick and drop the blocks to create a script. Okay. Next, list the name of different blocks menu given under block menu. And you know all the block menu name like motion, looks, sound, pen, data, event control, sensing, operators. Okay. Last question, what are the various cursor tools? There are 3 cursor tools. First one is duplicate. This options create a duplicate copy of the selected script. Second is delete. Clicking on these options will delete the selected script. Third is grow. As the name suggests, these options help us to increase the size of spread. This is your book work. Complete your book work, okay, and send to me your book work. If you have any problem, any issue, you can contact me.